Welcome to Revisify. Are your knives losing their edge? Don't worry, we're here to help. Today, we're reviewing the best whetstones to keep your blades sharp and ready for action. From budget-friendly picks to premium options, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned to find the perfect whetstone for your needs, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sharp Pebble Premium Knife Sharpening Whetstone. If you're looking for a versatile sharpening tool, the premium quality whetstone from Sharp Pebble is designed to handle nearly any blade. Kitchen knives, hunting knives, pocket knives, scissors, chisels, Westhoff knives, razors, and even axes, this durable water stone is crafted from high-grade aluminum oxide imported from Japan. It features a dual-sided design with a 1000 grit coarse side for sharpening and a 6000 grit fine side for refining and polishing. The whetstone is securely housed in a sturdy, non-slip bamboo base with strong silicone grips, ensuring stability and safety during use. The elevated design of the base simplifies the sharpening process, making it quick and efficient. Unlike traditional oil stones, this whetstone only requires water for lubrication. The included knife angle guide ensures you maintain the correct sharpening angle while applying consistent pressure, making the process safer and more precise. Whether you're an experienced user or new to sharpening, the stone is easy to use. For beginners, the included ebook manual provides clear, step-by-step instructions and additional tips to help you get the most out of your whetstone. Pros: superior sharpening kit, great value for money, excellent sharpening performance, no need for oil lubricant. Cons: fine side grit is a little soft. Number 2. Intelitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set. This sharpening set features aluminum oxide stones and accessories that, while similar to other models we've tested, stand out for their user-friendly design. The range of grits allows you to start with a dull edge and gradually refine it to a sharp, honed finish. The illustrated instructions walk you through each component of the kit, offering useful tips for developing sharpening skills. The set includes heavy, two-sided water stones that fit into a bamboo base with non-slip surfaces on both the top and bottom, ensuring safe and stable use. These stones retain water well, which is essential for creating the slurry needed to sharpen a blade's edge. In addition, the kit includes a stone corrector and a flattening stone, which are essential for leveling the whetstones and removing any scratches or filings that accumulate with use. A leather strap and an angle guide are also included. During testing, the chef's knife, which was 2 inches longer than the bench stones, required more passes than anticipated to achieve a consistently sharp edge from tip to heel. The knife effortlessly sliced through carrots and tomatoes at the center of the blade, but the heel and tip still struggled slightly, with the paper tearing when sliced. Number 3. Carry Premium Knife Sharpening Stone Kit. With a variety of grit levels and user-friendly accessories, the Carry Sharpening Kit is an excellent choice for maintaining and restoring any knife collection. It includes 2 double-sided whetstones offering 4 grit levels. 400 and 1000 for sharpening dull edges, and 3000 and 8000 for refining and polishing blades to perfection. In our tests, the Carry Kit stood out for its efficient grit combination, making it ideal for comprehensive sharpening tasks. Progressing through all 4 surfaces on each blade was faster than with most competitors. Apart from the diamond stones tested, the included leather strap added a polished, razor-sharp finish to each blade. After use, refreshing the whetstones with a bit of water and the included flattening stone was quick and easy. While protective gloves are a smart inclusion, the pair provided was too small for our testers, likely an adult medium. Though the size is not specified, the kit is neatly packed in a sturdy cardboard storage case with a magnetic flap closure, which is both visually appealing and durable. This straightforward set includes everything needed to restore and maintain any knife or tool blade effectively. Number 4. Shefik Knife Whetstone Sharpening Stone. The Shefik whetstone is a sleek and stylish tool designed to quickly sharpen and hone a variety of knives, from kitchen knives to hunting knives. Featuring a 1000/4000 grit combination, this professional-grade whetstone is crafted from thick white corundum and offers a large working surface, making it ideal for both large chef's knives and hunting knives. The 1000 grit is perfect for restoring dull blades, repairing chipped edges, and establishing a new bevel angle, providing fast metal removal. The 4000 grit is ideal for achieving a factory-sharp finish. Versatile in use, the Shefik sharpening stone works well on almost any knife or cutting tool, including kitchen knives, hunting knives, kitchen shears, pocket knives, chef's knives, paring knives, straight razors, precision tools, garden tools, and some art knives. However, it should not be used on serrated or ceramic blades. The non-slip black silicone base ensures the stone stays securely in place, offering a stable platform for accurate and safer sharpening. Plus, if you're not completely satisfied with the Shefik whetstone, the manufacturer offers a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. Pros: excellent price, sleek appearance, large working surface, very good sharpening ability. Cons: can leave chips on some edges. Number 5. Bestest Actual Grit Premium Material Whetstone Set. The Bestest Sharpening Stone Set is an affordable and user-friendly solution for maintaining and restoring sharp blades. This set includes 2 dual-sided whetstones, a 400/1000 grit for sharpening and repairing edges, and a 3000/8000 grit for refining and polishing. The stones are color-coded, light green and light orange, for quick and easy identification during use. The set features a durable bamboo base with a rubberized bottom, ensuring stability and safety while sharpening. Additionally, it includes a flattening stone to resurface the whetstones as they wear down, keeping them in optimal condition over time. Bestest provides a leather strap and an angle guide, offering everything you need to sharpen and maintain your blades effectively. The kit also comes with a handy list of tips for best results. While there are pricier options available, these stones deliver impressive performance. With a bit of patience and effort, this set can help you achieve a razor-sharp cutting edge at a fraction of the cost. Pros: sturdy and simple design, inexpensive cost, contains all you need to effectively sharpen your knives in one kit, 2 double-sided stones. Cons: at £7, it's a little heavy for travel.